Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am currently sitting in the kids' playroom. I've been wanting to clean this room for so long, so today I think is the day. I can't believe how messy this is. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but oh my gosh, I'm gonna go through their toys and I'm gonna give a lot of them away. I think a lot of them are broken anyway. So I'm gonna go through all that, have some for donation and have some for the garbage. I feel like they just don't need this many toys. So anyways, I'm gonna turn you guys around and I will show you guys what I'm gonna be working with, and then we're gonna get started. So I have these two bins here. This one is gonna be for donation, and then this one is gonna be for the ones that we are gonna get rid of. So before I get discouraged, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this.
Pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you.
So after I was going through all the toys and trying to figure out where I was gonna put everything, I did remember that my husband had decluttered the toys a couple of days before. So it did help me quite a bit because it wasn't as much. So what I was trying to do was to find toys that they really don't play with anymore. That's not for their age, especially for Logan. So all the toys that he used as like baby, I was trying to get rid of. And also some of his toys were just little walkers that he used when he was learning to walk. So I plan on selling those or just taking them for donation.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now.
While I was busy trying to figure out where everything goes and what connects to what, Logan slipped and ran into the laundry room, so I had to go get him out of there. He's just so obsessed with the laundry room.
I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star, you try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad.
In this toy organizer, I was trying to get like the smallest toys that I can fit in there so that I can leave the bins for like bigger and larger stuff like the balls or some of Logan's and Ethan's trucks. So the organizer definitely helped, but sometimes they just dump it all at once. And I figure that it's no point of really putting everything in categories because they're just gonna do what they gotta do.
So here we go again. Here we go again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
Looking like a movie star. Try to pick me up in your new sports car.
So I'm curious from all of you guys, you mamas out there, what do you guys do to keep your kids' toys organized? Because I feel like my kids are overwhelmed with everything. So my husband and I had discussed about just taking away some of the toys, and then we switch them every so often, and that way they can keep the interest of playing with everything. But let me know down in the comments what you guys do to make sure that your kids are playing with everything and that everything is still interesting to them, because I feel like you buy them a new toy and then within a few days they are over it.
Not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else. Would ya? Would ya?
So with everything being on the floor, all the toys were just scattered everywhere. Oh my gosh, once I picked up everything, I realized how many spiders were there. Oh, I can't. Just thinking about how my kids would play there. I was wondering like how many spiders bit them. But I was just vacuuming some of the dead ones here. I don't know if you guys missed it, but Logan did try to pick up one and I freaked out. I spared you guys the screaming because I screamed when he tried to do that. So here I'm just vacuuming up some of the spider webs or whatever I feel like there's a spider web. I was just vacuuming everywhere to make sure that the room had no bugs in it. It is in the basement, so I guess it's gonna come. The bugs are gonna be there. So yeah, here I'm just vacuuming it because I wanted to actually switch to this side, put all the toys on that side. You have more room there, and that way the couch area could be just for sitting. It could be a place for me to be with them, and if we have play dates with our friends or family, I can have somewhere to have my guests sit while the kids are playing.
Someday I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh.
You say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too. I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down.
So once I put the mats on that side, I actually really liked it so much better there. It kind of divided the room so much better, like a toy area and then a sitting area. I was very concerned that I would not be able to open and shut the door because of the mats, because it did kind of go over. But fortunately for me, the door is a little bit up higher, so it does close quite perfectly.
Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just want to tell her how I feel.
So Ethan did not want to miss out on the fun. He was so curious what we were doing downstairs, and he came down to check to see what we were doing, and he was so shocked at how we had switched the room around. He was very excited, and he could not wait for me to finish cleaning it so he could play with all the toys again. So once I had put the toys and moved everything on the side that was clean, I went ahead and I vacuumed this side as well, because I did have a small carpet that I wanted to put there. So I wanted to be sure that there were no spiders, and also that the floors were cleaned very well. So while I was editing this, I was thinking to myself, I'm like, why did I not pull the couch? Because coming to think of it now, I really have a huge feeling that that couch is full of toys under it. So next time I definitely need to remember that. So Logan wanted to say hello to all of you guys. He spotted the camera and he had to go stand right in front of it. He's my little helper. So anyways, I was trying to suck up all the little crumbs from under the cushions. It wasn't as dirty as I thought it would be, so I was quite happy with that. I don't really let the kids eat down here. I actually don't let them eat down here. So yeah, I think that's why the couch was still so nice and intact. So I hope I keep it that way.
What's wrong or right? Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how.
So again, like the other side, I mopped this floor as well. It was quite dirty actually, and I wanted to be sure that it was nice and clean before I laid down the carpet. I like the carpet there because it's in the basement and it gets colder, so having something to step on other than the floor, I think it will help me stay there a little longer. I don't like our basement because of that reason. It's always so cold. So I wanted to go ahead and give the couch a quick wipe as well,
just so I make sure that there are no stains anywhere. I love this all-purpose cleaner that I use. It smells so good. If you guys have a Superstore or Zayre's near you guys, they sell it there. Go try it, you will like it.
I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away.
So after everything was nice and clean and wiped down, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how the room turned out. I'm so proud of myself for going through with it. I did declutter quite a bit, and I did have quite a bit of toys to donate or sell. So yeah, I'm happy to tell you guys that it does still look like this even a few days after. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys, and stay blessed. Bye.